What if the world lost oxygen for 5 seconds? Imagine if the entire world were suddenly deprived of oxygen for a brief span of just 5 seconds. The impact would be far more extensive than one might initially suspect. Here's a deeper look into the scenarios that could potentially unfold. Immediate impact on living organisms. Humans and animals. While a 5-second loss wouldn't be long enough to suffocate us, the sudden absence of oxygen would cause everyone to feel dizzy and potentially lose consciousness. Our ears would also pop due to the sudden change in air pressure. Plants. Plants depend on oxygen for respiration just like we do. While most plants could likely survive a 5-second deprivation, some more sensitive species, especially those underwater, might experience detrimental effects. Atmospheric effects. Sudden vacuum. If oxygen disappeared from the Earth's atmosphere, approximately 21% of the air would be instantly gone, creating a near vacuum. This would lead to a massive and instant windstorm as air rushes to fill the void. Sky color change. Without oxygen, the sky would lose its blue hue and would likely appear black during the day, similar to the sky seen from the moon. Effect on Earth's crust. Oxygen constitutes almost half of the Earth's crust in the form of oxides. If oxygen disappeared, even for just 5 seconds, the ground would turn into dust. Every building, bridge, and structure that uses cement, which contains oxides, would crumble, causing unprecedented infrastructure damage. Impact on oceans. Release of gases. Water, which is 2 parts hydrogen and 1 part oxygen, HO, would lose its oxygen component, releasing vast amounts of hydrogen gas. Drop in water levels. Although the change might not be instantly noticeable, with the loss of a third of its molecular weight, water levels around the world would drop significantly. Combustion and fires. All combustion processes rely on oxygen. For those 5 seconds, every combustion engine would stall, fires would be snuffed out, and any ongoing combustion process would halt immediately. Environmental consequences. The ozone layer, made of O, is responsible for protecting life on Earth from harmful ultraviolet rays. Even a momentary absence would mean a burst of UV radiation, posing a direct threat to all life forms. While a 5-second absence of oxygen might seem like a fleeting and minor event, its repercussions would be vast and devastating. From massive infrastructural damage to potential harm to every life form, the world would never be the same again. Thankfully, such a scenario remains within the realm of speculative fiction. However, it does underline the importance of oxygen to our world and why we should value and protect our environment.